Drink
eat
too.
and what you drink.
Yeah.
True. You're what you eat and what you drink. Let me say a big thank you to you this morning for joining us on the Bumper Breakfast.
It's my pleasure. You know,
It's
you already
always
captured me now.
Yeah. It's
I don't know how I managed between the two of you, my sweethearts.
You just manage somehow.
Yes,
Right?
because I was scared when I found the two of you on set. Thank you, ladies, for accommodating me. We'll do it again.
We'll do it again. Still on the set.
It was
right?
beautiful.
Still on
Anywhere
set.
we have the space.
We'll take a break. When we come back, we're taking the report from Kenny Adiaga and we're talking business. Hello, Kenny. Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Thomasin, and you?
Very well, thank you. What's happening in the Nigerian Stock Exchange? What happened in the last couple of days?
Well, a whole lot happened in the market, and of course, one of the listed company on the floor of the exchange done a completion or about to do a completion of a storage facility.
Okay.
That will store 20,000 metric tons of liquefied gas.
Okay.
In Lagos.
Okay.
We'll talk about that, and that is to show how the market has been improving and has been helping companies to forge ahead in terms of their projects or in terms of their projects or whatever thing they want to do to help to grow the economy.
Okay.
I'm talking about Ardova PLC. They are into liquefied natural gas, and that will come up. But before I go into that, let's look at the figures from the exchange and also from the money market end, where the Naira slide against the dollar from the interbank exchange market. And of course, when we look at it from the parallel market, we discover that it's slide further than the expectation. But the figures from the Nigerian market, from the Nigerian exchange,
Yes.
shows that there was a depreciation in terms of the market cap and index when the market opened yesterday,
Okay.
when compared to the previous close figure as at Friday.
Okay.
But investors traded 278.6 million shares, worth 2.88 billion naira, exchanging 4,447 deals, largely driven by activities in the shares of Champs PLC, United Bank for Africa PLC, Codville PLC, and Sterling Bank PLC. For Champs PLC, investors take 40.55 million shares, valued at 8.11 million naira, exchanged in 28 transactions at the market closing price of 20 kobo per share. United Bank for Africa PLC with 35.11 million shares, worth 284.74 million naira, done in 200 transactions at the market closing price of 8 naira 10 kobo per share. Codville PLC with 33.32 million shares, valued at 16.55 million naira, exchanged in 103 transactions at the market closing price of 50 kobo per share, while Sterling Bank PLC recorded 18.78 million shares, worth 30.1 million naira, done in 86 transactions at the market closing price of 1 naira 61 kobo per share. And the lowest trade stock in the market yesterday was that of Union Home REITs, with just 15 units that was traded, valued at 549 naira. This was done in 2 transactions at the market closing price of 36 naira 60 kobo per share. The market recorded 15 gainers as against 26 losers. The gainers was led by Seplat Petroleum Development Company PLC with 24 naira 90 kobo gain, closing at 780 naira. Northern Nigerian Flour Mills PLC went up by 75 kobo, closing at 8 naira 65 kobo. Guinness PLC gained 30 kobo to close at 42 naira 50 kobo. And Living Trust PLC was up by 10 kobo, closing at 1 naira 14 kobo. From the losers table, we have Nigerian Breweries PLC topping the table with a price depreciation of 70 kobo to close at 47 naira 30 kobo. UCA PLC lost 25 kobo, closing at 10 naira 90 kobo. NEM Insurance PLC went down by 20 kobo to close at 3 naira 50 kobo. And FBN Holdings PLC lost 20 kobo to close at 11 naira 80 kobo. Meanwhile, the market capitalization of listed equities on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange yesterday depreciated by 11.88 billion naira, closing at 24.74 trillion naira as against Friday's closing figure of 24.76 trillion naira. And the index went down from 45,957.35 basis points, which closed last week Friday, to 45,928.27 basis points yesterday, a depreciation of 29.08 basis points, otherwise 0.06% depreciation. And from the money market end, where the overnight rates decreased by 6